Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode in your Snapchat if you have an Android phone here. So in the new update, Snapchat has released the dark mode for the Snapchat here. So to enable it, first you have to go to your profile icon. So just tap on the left corner in the profile icon. Then you just have to go to your settings option here. Tap on settings with the gear icon and you just have to scroll down. And here you will find the option called app appearance. So if you don't have that option, you just need to update your Snapchat. Then you will have this app appearance option here. So just tap on it. And here, as you can see, there's the option of always dark here. So you just have to tap on always dark here. And this will restart your application here. So just restart now. And if I go back to my profile here, as you can see, it's all in dark now. So that's it guys. This is how you can turn on dark mode in your Snapchat here with the new update here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.